Hello, welcome to Home Cooking with Somjin. Today I'm going to cook Gamhyang crab. I had 800 grams of flour crab, half teaspoon of black pepper, 2 tablespoons of chopped dry shrimp, 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, half tablespoon of thick soy sauce, 4 cloves of garlic chopped, quarter teaspoon of sesame seed oil, 2 tablespoons of onion oil, about 10 pieces of shallots chopped, 5 stems of curry leaf. I will be using about 2 tablespoons of curry powder and 4 tablespoons of tapioca flour. I like to start off with cooking the Gamhyang sauce first. Heat the pan, put in 1 tablespoon of onion oil, put in all chopped dry shrimp. We are frying the dry shrimp until it's fragrant. That will take about 30 seconds to 1 minute. Dry shrimp is ready. I'm switch off the heat and going to remove it from the pan and put it aside. In the same pan, I switch on the heat, put in all the balance of the onion oil, put in all the garlic, and all the chopped shallots. Put in all the chili, black pepper. Give it a stir until all the ingredients release the nice aroma. Add in all the sesame seed oil, oyster sauce, put in about quarter cup of water. Bring it to boil. When the Gamhyang sauce is boiling, I'm putting it back the dry shrimp. Put all of the curry leaf. Give it a stir. Really nice fragrant. Last, I'm going to put in the curry powder. About 2 tablespoons of curry powder. We're putting in the curry powder last because it can thicken the sauce. Nice fragrant. It is slightly dry, so I'm going to add in a little bit more water. Alright, Gamhyang sauce is ready. Now I can give it a taste. Delicious, very tasty, very fragrant. So I'm going to switch off the heat. At this stage, if you want to add more seasoning, you can do so, but for this Gamhyang sauce, it's lovely. So I'm going to put it aside while we're preparing the crab. If you buy the crab from the shop, right, if they don't cut for you, you need to cut it yourself. So you can prepare the crab like this. First, you need to chop off the rubber band. Right. Let's just open up this. This part you need to throw it away. Then after that we need to wash it. Need to wash it under the running water. For the crab, right, I'm going to cut it into half. So we can just straight away cut it like that. So I'm going to go ahead and wash it. Then after that we can go and cook it. So this is the crab that I have washed and cleaned. Now we're going to sprinkle the tapioca flour on it. Putting the flour on the crab just to prevent the oil splatting. Crab is ready. Now we can go and cook it. There's a preheated oil in the pan. This oil is very hot. So I'm going to put in the crab. Be careful when putting in because it might splash. After about 2 minutes, actually crab they cook very fast, no need to cook too long. If cook too long, it might be very dry. So you're going to put in for another 1 minute. Alright, after 1 minute, crab should already be cooked. So I'm going to switch off the heat and we're going to remove the oil from the pan. And in the same pan, I'm going to switch on the heat again. We're going to put in the kamhyong sauce in the bigger pan. It is slightly dry. I'm going to add in a little bit of water. Just lower the heat. I'm going to slowly put in the crab. Put in the crab and give it a stir to make sure that crab is coated with kamhyong sauce. So whichever is already coated with kamhyong sauce, I'm going to take it out. Let's take. Oh my, look at this. See? It looks so yummy. So delicious. It's very tasty, very fragrant. The crab is so fresh. Kamhyong sauce is delicious, spicy, very flavorful, rich in the dry prawns flavor, and it's very nice fragrance of the dry prawns, the curry powder, and also the curry leaf. Kamhyong sauce and seafood is really match made in heaven. If you have tried the recipe, do share the outcome in the comment below. I would love to hear from you. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please share with your friends and remember to subscribe for more of my simple home cooked dishes like this. Thank you and bye-bye.